The most influential teacher in my life, by far, was my 7th grade teacher, Mr. Joe Zarantonello. We called him Mr. Z. The reason that his lessons have stuck with me for so long is that, first of all, if you're a teacher, know that you can break convention and do what you want to do within certain boundaries. But Mr. Z didn't have a regular desk and no chair. He sat Indian style on a little table in the front of us throughout the entire year, which grabbed our attention and engaged us in a way that we wanted to know what was going to happen next because we didn't know what to expect. One of the things he taught us that impacted me, and I'm still pursuing, is he taught us to meditate. And this is something he was passionate about. It clearly was not part of the curriculum, and this is in a little town in Kentucky, so way outside the norm. He now actually runs a meditation center in Bardstown, Kentucky, and I'm actually starting to work with him on my own meditation practice now, many, many years later. So I want to thank Mr. Z for being such a powerful influence and having the courage to break the mold and teach what he was passionate about and engage the students in a way that has made such an impact on so many of us for so many years.